Team 3D. Now I'm going to explain the formation for our mat formation for the bridge. In this corner, we have the grove of trees. Many people stay here and have picnics in this beautiful lawn area. This is the purple hut of the collector of the bridge. He owns many different artifacts. This is the amazing waterfall. It flows down the river under the bridge and through to the other side. Right next to it, gaining so much water from the giant river, is the giant rose. This rose is a giant tourist attraction for the city of the creek. Dot is having a nice afternoon as a bunny, staying on the bridge, being relaxed and looking at how cool it is. Right here is a mountain in the distance. Nobody has ever climbed it before.